He used to be a fish, and now he's got legs. This is interesting. Let's start right about here, and we're gonna draw his head. Right on up like that. He's a funny looking fish, I'll tell you that. That's the top of his head. Let's give him some cheeks. Bring it on down around like that. Almost looks like a bee, doesn't it? The letter B. There we go. Let's give him a cheek right about there. That's looking fun. Another cheek right about there. Big old smile for Darwin. This is nice. Now we give him some big old eyes. Just circles like this. There we go. There's one. And now let's draw the second eye right about here. Two eyes. Big old pupils for Darwin. There we go. And some eyelashes. 1, 2, 1, 2. Looking sweet. Don't forget the eyebrows. 1 and 2. There we go. Very sweet. And he's got some funny cheeks. Little swirly circles around here like that and that. And a highlight. We're gonna draw the highlight on his head right about here. That's looking nice. I like this. Now let's draw Darwin's fins, which are kind of his hands now. Right about here like that. And then we'll come on up like this. Just like that. And over here, this will be on the other side of his head. Right there like that. And that. That's looking fun. I like this. Now, let's bring his head down just a little more here, and we can draw a tail. Or a fin, perhaps. I'm not too sure what that is. But right about there, and we'll give it a bit of lines here like this and that. Very good, everybody. I like this. Alright, now all we gotta do is get his legs in, because they did grow. So let's draw one leg here. Another leg there like that. Very sweet. We'll bring his feet on out like this. Give him a heel there like that. Start it off there like that. And do the same on this side. Very nice, everyone. Now, let's draw a line right down the middle here to separate the legs. Meeting up at the V there. Perfect. We'll give him some socks. Like this. There we go. A little circle here, a circle there. And some toe texture. There we go. It's Darwin from Gumball. Let's get to the color. Darwin Watterson has orange skin, green socks, black eyes and eyebrows. Thanks, everyone.